New York City.
That's right. That's right. As health experts predict that the number of infections and deaths, the rate will only increase unless more of us get more serious about wearing masks and following the rules. And as you say, NewsNation affiliates around the country have been gathering the stories of some of those we've lost already. Lubbock, Texas tonight, saying farewell to Dr. Juan Fitz, known as a hero of emergency medicine. He died in the same hospital where he saved lives.
It's got to stop. People have to take this seriously.
In Conway, Arkansas, beloved substitute teacher George Yarbrough, known as Mr. Ron, has left a void students and colleagues say can never be filled.
He just had a way of making anyone he talked to feel $1 million.
Here's what he told our NewsNation affiliate KARK in 2019 when he was named Substitute Teacher of the Year.
I'd rather be in a classroom with kids like this than be anywhere on the planet.
They'd understand that loss at this elementary school in Hernando, Mississippi, which just lost a staff member to COVID as cases in the state continue to rise.
What's in the best interest of you and your family and all Mississippians is if you go out in public, wear a mask. Please, wear a mask.
Our NewsNation affiliate in Springfield, Missouri brings us the story of Fred Looper, 67, grandfather and avid gardener. His wife of 37 years was in the hospital holding his hand when he took his last breath.
We were good partners. We complimented each other.
We're going to call Soldier.
That's the voice of Chicago 911 dispatcher Guadalupe Lopez. His death from COVID-19 has hit the law enforcement community there very hard.
It definitely hits home, and it just, to me, means that it is so real.
And there's a memorial in Chicago at the spot where Guadalupe Perez used to spend his days. He and his son got COVID at the same time. But as Alejandro was getting better, his father was getting worse.
Every night I can hear like he's breathing. Even, I'm sorry.
Just a small sampling of the many, many stories we are hearing and gathering from around the country tonight. Another development happening here, New York City public schools about to close as COVID cases continue to surge and America passes that new milestone, 250,000 COVID deaths. Live in New York City, Tom Negevin, NewsNation.